Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning something new from Excel. So please make sure to follow the steps accordingly, and please make sure also that you finish watching this video till the very end. So let's get started. So here, let me just open my Excel, and as you can see here, I have names, and the very essence of this video is if you want to capitalize the names in your Excel and you don't know how, then please do watch the processes that I will do. So this is very easy. So I have here 6 names, and we will be capitalizing the first letter of each of the names by one go. So how are we going to do that? So please select the first name in the first column and then go with the second column. So here we have the column A and column B. So I selected the first name, and then I have gone to column B. So in here I need to type equal sign and type proper and open parentheses, and here we need to type A since the names here are in the A or column A, and the first name is in row 1. So I have here to type 1 and then close parentheses. So I have typed equal sign proper open parentheses A for column A and 1 for row 1, which is the first name. So after that, or after typing it, please click on enter, and you can see now that the first name in the first row in the first column is now the first letter is now capitalized. And to do that with the other name, all I have to do is to drag the plus sign till the last name. And as you can see, all the first letters in each of the names are now written in the capitalized form. I have here big letter R, L, E. So that's how you do it. That's very easy process. And if you want to do the same with your device, then you can do that by just following the few simple steps that I have shown you. Okay, so if you found this video helpful and if you learned something from this video, then please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.